Die Cutting Essentials issue 79 has just arrived. Let me show you what you get. And this is called Just a Note. So you're going to get 8 cutting dies. You get this typewriter in a really nice size. Also a strip of paper that could be looking like it's coming out of the typewriter. And you've got some various flowers and leaves if you want to kind of do something like that. But let me show you inside the magazine, which is going to show you lots of ways to use that die, but it's also going to show you more. Now, right here, I just thought it was fun just with this page of new ideas that we just did a Happy Places webisode using Hunky Dory's new line. We also did at the fair, so that's very fun. So it's nice to see we also have several pieces of the textures collection. It's fun to see them. Actually, there's also some Christmas time here from Creative Expression. So lots of things that we have right here. You don't have to go anywhere else. Here are some die cutting hints and tips using the cutting die, showing you how to kind of let that piece look like it's coming out of the typewriter, different colors to use. And let's go right here. So it's called the Next Chapter. And you can see fun to put an oval or a circle behind that typewriter, different ways that you can use it and different things that you can either computer journal or stamp or put dazzles on that paper coming out of the typewriter. Happy birthday, you're my type of friend. And fun to see it used in lots of different ways. It's time to write the next chapter, a whole birthday message. And I love to see the different colors and layering those behind the die to give that dimension. Now this is a triangle crossover card, so that's a different one and giving you step by step. This is using just the little flowers and putting that onto a card. So I think that's nice to give that extra attention too. This is a way to make beautiful backgrounds, and you can see some different looks, but it's using the cutting dies to do that. So different techniques, so to really make your dies go farther, which is always fun. You can see some of them here and some step-by-step photographs. And we'll move right on. This is, I highlighted this because this is a webisode and we still have some of these products, so it's nice to see those boxes. I think the British absolutely love three-dimensional things, and it's nice to share that with them. This is masculine look, so this is something different, and it's using what they call a letterpress technique, and that means that you're using your cutting die, but you're not cutting through the paper. So we have some large projects, large photos of projects, but then also step-by-steps, how to get that look, very, very classy look. And here we have more of the typewriter and different ways that you can use it. I love the hearts coming out of it. That's fun. This is different with a big strip behind it, really useful. You could use that on a slimline card. Or you can do a horizontal. You're my type of friend, very fun. Hope you're better soon. So just lots of ways that that can be used, and lots of different sentiments too. So thinking of you, get well, anything. This is using basic nesting dies and different ways you can use them. This, of course, is a flower. This is, or circles. You could do the same process. Here is more. I thought that was really cute. Again, you could make that into a scallop if you were using our circle, nested circle and scallops. So lots of ideas there, and that's the beauty of a magazine. I love this. I thought it was very striking to take any cutting die, cut it out of black, but to create these backgrounds, and this gives you some information of how to accomplish that, and I thought that was really a nice technique. Thought this was fun to see these. In fact, I have one of these little pieces sitting on my desk, so that's fun to see and know that it's available here. This is using circles, and again, I love the color of the papers going in and offsetting that. That was a really good idea. And this is using to do a dry emboss technique. So wanted to point that out again with the cutting dies. Here we're back with our typewriter. kind of put it into a little frame. We carry those by Hunky Dory that you can put things in, and then also a container to mail them, so that's good. That's simply the dies by themselves. Here is another one, and it's a little tucked in card. You can see it on the inside, so lots of different things going on. I thought the pretty patches was again a nice way to use leftover scraps of papers, doing kind of a quilting look, and I thought she did a really nice job. So you can do them in squares, rectangles, whatever you like, perhaps even hexagons. And that's lots more, but that's all that I tabbed, and this is Die Cutting Essentials number 79 with that wonderful typewriter and all of those embellishments. And I am happy to tell you this is exclusively here with us at paperwishes.com.